सबसे पहले करते हैं बात हमारे हरियाणा की। आओ जी तब मैं दिखाऊं हमारा हरियाणा, सबसे प्यारा सबसे न्यारा, जिसकी मीठी प्यारी बोली जड़े लोगों का दिल साफ है जाना जाता, जिस दूध दही का खाना। आओ जी तब मैं दिखाऊं हमारा हरियाणा।
The state was formed on November 1, 1966. With a total of 22 districts, it has three main rivers, Yamuna, Saraswati, Ghaggar. The people of Haryana strictly adhere to their customs and cultural traditions. Yoga and chanting of Vedic mantras have become an innate part of their lives.
Wheat is the main agriculture in Haryana.
Now let us sing about sports of Haryana. Its state game is wrestling as per announced by the government. Apart from that, games like judo, kabaddi, kho-kho and boxing are also popularly played here. The sports in the state are managed by Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Haryana.
Here are the tourist places of Haryana. There are 21 tourism hubs created by Haryana district. These are located in the following cities: Panjokhar Sahib Gurdwara Ambala, Kingdoms of Dream Gurgaon, Morni Hills Panchkula, Karna Lake Karnal, Kurukshetra Panorama and Science Center. These are some tourist places in Haryana.
Culture of Haryana. Haryana's culture is reflective of its folklore submerged in the rich cultural heritage of the Vedic period. The rich Haryanvi culture is characterized by its dresses, dances, fairs and swing paddy fields. Haryana is one of the wealthiest states in India. The most famous festival of all times is Teej. It is celebrated on the third day of Shravan month with great enthusiasm all over the state. The authentic cuisine of Haryana offers finger-licking delicacies like churma, malpua, meethi chawal, etc. This vibrant state has a beautiful culture.
Now, coming on to Telangana, it was formed on June 2, 2014. The state has 31 districts, with the main rivers being Krishna and Godavari. The region emerged as the foremost center of culture in Indian subcontinent during the rule of Kakatiya, the Qutub Shahi and Asaf Jahi dynasties.
Now Telangana. The government announced Kabaddi as the state game of Telangana. Football and cricket are also popularly played among the youth there. The sports in the state are managed by Sports Authority of Telangana state.
Now it's the turn of Telangana. There are 9 tourist hubs in Telangana. These are located in the following cities: Charminar, Hyderabad, Pakhal Lake, Warangal, Ramappa Temple, Mulugu, Kuntala Waterfall, Adilabad, Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad. These are some tourist places of Telangana.
The culture of Telangana in India has cultural history of about 5,000 years. Telangana is home to diverse culture and religions. It is known as the region where the fusion of two cultures take place, namely North and South. The word Telangana is derived from the word Trilinga. Telangana is a storehouse of creativity which is prevalent in its collection of art and craft developed in 16th century. The Golconda style is an old method of blending foreign techniques. Telangana is famous for its weaving and dyeing techniques because its cotton producing units are world famous. The most common apparel worn by women, sari along with.
We thank the authorities. By the means of this project, we explored a lot about the amazing states of the Indian Peninsula.